Most people are still using those tools where they have to write prompts again and again for generating images. Those tools generate images one by one, and user has to repeat the same steps and wait every single time for the next generation. This process takes a lot of effort. It wastes yours a lot of time. But your time doesn't need to be wasted like this anymore. Because I have found a free AI tool that changes the way images are created. And many of the creators don't even know about this awesome tool. Instead of generating images manually, this tool lets you create hundreds of images in bulk and convert them into videos. No repeating prompts, no generating images one by one. Just one simple click, and your images starts generating automatically one after another. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is Auto Whisk. That helps you generate hundreds of images in bulk with just one prompt and one click. People are making a lot of money by uploading Ghibli-style and 3D animated AI videos. I am also gonna make one with you guys. Let's start the workflow. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a Ghibli-style story on a particular topic of your choice, like I want to make on the girl in the mist, and hit enter. ChatGPT does everything for you. It gives you a character consistency prompt, a style prompt, a text-to-image prompt, and even an image-to-video prompt if you want video. Everything is ready. Now normally, you'd copy one image prompt and go to Google Whisk and generate images one by one. But wait, I said this is automation, right? What if you have 100 images? Do you want to sit all day copy-pasting prompts? No. This is where Auto Whisk comes into the picture. Auto Whisk lets you generate hundreds of images automatically with one click, and it even downloads them automatically to your system for free. Sounds crazy, right? Go ahead on any browser and search for Auto Whisk and click on the very first link. Here you can see the option of Get Extension. Click on it and install the Auto Whisk Chrome extension. After installing, open it. You'll see it on the right side of your browser. At the top, change the language to English. You'll see two modes, Recommended and Classic. I'm choosing Classic for now. Here, you can upload a text file with hundreds or thousands of prompts, or directly paste all prompts into the box. In Settings, you can uncheck Auto Download if you don't want files downloaded automatically. Now go back to ChatGPT and type. Extract the text-to-image prompts into a text file, no headings, one prompt per line. This is important because Auto Whisk treats each new line as a new prompt. Copy everything ChatGPT gives you, paste it into Auto Whisk, click Start, and select Run on this project. Now all images start generating automatically, one by one. No manual copy-paste, no waiting. But wait, there's still one big problem with AI images, character consistency. Without fixing this, every image looks like a different person. Don't worry, Whisk has a hidden feature for this. Go to the top left navigation. You'll see Subject, Scene, and Style. Remember, ChatGPT already gave us character prompts and style prompts. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first character prompt, paste it into Whisk, select Square Aspect Ratio, and generate. Now drag that generated image into the subject section. Do the same for all characters in your story. Then do the same for the style prompt. Copy it from ChatGPT and paste it into the Whisk before hitting Generate. Uncheck the subject images. And then click Generate, and after generating, drag it into the style section. Once this is done, paste your full bulk prompt list again. Make sure all subjects and styles are selected, and click Run on this project. Now look at the results. All images have perfect character consistency. It matched the style I gave it. So, we are done with image generation. Now, let's convert images into videos. For free video generation, I use Grok Imagine. In Grok, upload your first image, copy the image to video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok, and hit Generate. The result look amazing. After that, upscale the video for higher quality and download it. Repeat this for all images. After generating all the videos and downloading them, now we need a voiceover. I use ElevenLabs because it sounds realistic and professional. In ElevenLabs, paste your story, choose a story narration voice, generate the audio, and download it. Finally, open any video editor. Import all images or video clips. Arrange them according to the narration. Add background music if you want. Export, and that's it. Let's preview it.
In this quiet village, a silver mist slowly creeps over the streets, carrying with it a whisper of something mysterious. Hana watched from her window, her heart curious yet wary, as the fog rolled closer with every passing second. Through the mist, a pale figure appeared, a girl standing silently, as if waiting for someone to notice her. Night after night she came closer, her presence both haunting and sorrowful. Drawn by something unseen, Hana followed the girl into the depths of the misty forest, where silence reigned. The path ahead was empty, yet every step echoed like a secret being whispered through the trees. At the old bridge, the river flowed silently, and the truth of long ago waited beneath its surface. The girl's voice trembled as she revealed her sorrow. She had never found her way home. Hana reached out her hand, offering warmth and hope, a promise to guide her home. Slowly the girl dissolved into tiny lights, drifting upwards into the sky, finally free from the mist. Morning arrived with gentle sunlight, leaving behind only a small ribbon, a quiet reminder of the night before. And though the mist never returned, Hana felt the girl's gratitude in every whisper of the forest breeze.
You can see the result is truly amazing. This is how you can create unlimited AI videos for free, fully automated, and grow on social media and earn thousands like others. Now it's your turn. Take action and start creating. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.